Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Passwords to start secure storage setup. Sign in with your Apple ID if you are not signed in. Enable iCloud Keychain to sync passwords across your Apple devices. Create a strong device passcode and enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick access. Review password suggestions and accept strong, unique entries when prompted. Turn on auto-fill passwords in Safari and apps to save time and reduce typing. Tap the Add button to manually save a new login or secure note. Enter account, username, and a 12-character or longer strong password for best security. Use folders or tags to group logins like banking, work, and shopping for quick retrieval. Enable auto-fill to save new credentials automatically from apps and websites when you sign in. Edit existing entries to update passwords after a reset or migration. Delete duplicates and merge entries to reduce clutter and confusion. Enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID and on important accounts to increase security. Store backup recovery codes in a secure note inside the Passwords app or in an encrypted offline file. Use Face ID or Touch ID to authorize access and require your device passcode after 5 minutes of inactivity. Regularly review security recommendations and replace weak or reused passwords with unique, long entries. Set up account recovery contacts to regain access if you forget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.